Ever wondered which MBTI type is your career spirit animal? First up, we have the Analysts INTJ, INTP, ENTJ, and ENTP. These brilliant minds are all about innovation and strategy. Let's uncover their ideal career paths. INTJs are the masterminds. With their strategic thinking, they dominate in science, engineering, and even creating startups. INTPs are the architects of innovation. They excel as scientists, computer programmers, or researchers, constructing solutions to complex challenges. ENTJs are the strategic leaders who put everyone else to shame. They excel as CEOs, judges, and architects of the future. ENTPs are the visionaries, turning wild ideas into reality. They are brilliant inventors, lawyers, and business consultants, bringing dreams to life. Ever try to match your quirky personality with the perfect career? Now's your chance. Find the answer in our How to Choose Your Major course, link in bio.